Hey guys, and welcome back to my video. So in this video, I'll be resuming the edit that I started 1 month and I stopped because I did some other stuff, and yeah, I decided to finally resume it. And to be honest, I don't like doing in 10 parts because I'd rather do in one, because time is between and I forgot what I was planning, blah blah blah. So yeah, today we are doing the contouring and the highlighting. So we're gonna open a new layer, tap on it, and I'm gonna start the timer 10 minutes. So you can go with the brown, or I'll go always with black because I'm used to. Here on the phone, and then we're gonna click soft light. So okay, it was on the smudge, my bad. So brush, and I kind of follow this already line here, shadow kind of thingy. It's already existing. Then I make the brush smaller. Here for around the nose a bit, so like this. I go sometimes like this and this, but mostly I do like this. And then make the brush smaller and give it here a shadow. So underneath the nose, it doesn't have to be perfect, it's gonna be smudged later on. Some of this under the lip, so give it a natural shadow, so it looks really weird. But let's give it here, and of course here. And now you can click here and look out for soft light. So we have the kind of perfect brownish color. Okay, color passing man. So we can go in smudge, or you can go Gaussian blur, but I don't know, I'm not fan of Gaussian blur on contour. So I have to put opacity down, otherwise it will be crazy while smudging already is. So more opacity down if you don't want it to move too much. So and okay, keep smudging around a little bit upwards, downwards, until it's kind of blended. I think it's giving me the best result when I go once up, once down, so it's not going too much down in the face, and it looks sculpted. So this side looks better than this one. My throat is sore. So let's put this down, up, down, and here underneath, tap tap tap. Here then left and right, and here I won't do as much because I don't want it to be moved. So here, smudge it like that. Okay, so living next to a street is really the worst. Always cars passing by and my window is open. But anyways, if you're happy with the result, let's move her on the side here and put opacity a bit down, maybe like that. So now we open a new layer, click on it, and click here on add for the highlight. So let's click it on add on the brush. I'm gonna use the same brush, opacity on the highest, color white, and now I'm gonna zoom in and I'm gonna make a dot here on the nose, not too big, for the tip of the nose. Here we make a straight line, if I can call it straight. Another color, oh my god, like that. Anyway, then make the brush bigger here and here, highlight. Okay, this one went all out like this and this, and you can go with another color, like a light kind of, but I don't know, I always go with white. But so here we can go to forehead also, what I'm gonna do later, or I can do now. I'll put a size up and opacity lower because the forehead is somehow hard to blend. So maybe like this. Yeah, I'll keep it like this, why not. So then we go on the smudge tool again, opacity around 50, size down, and it's click up and down and so it's smudging and it's not moving like away from the spot. So up and down. So this is what I figured out just now. Okay, you're up, down. It's hard to make them even because the smudge is really hard to handle here on thingy Ibispaint. So maybe I should just use Gaussian blur and to make it better. So let me double tap to remove what I did because oh, not that way. Okay, so let's go FX Gaussian blur and go up and yeah, then it won't move as much. Yeah, I think I like it like that. And now of course you open, pass it down. If you want to glow more, then keep it like that. So maybe like this, maybe. Yes, and now what I'm gonna do on the same layer, I'm gonna just add a little bit what is not like smudged. So tap 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 here for the nose a bit again to make it smaller. Like if you want that extra on the same layer, so like that. And let me add it like here also a bit. Also maybe here on the lips. What is needed? So here. And we can smudge it on the lip a bit downwards. Like that. Here. So yeah. So let's go to the body and do a really nice contour. Let me check the time. We have 3 minutes left. And again, I'm already click here on soft light. Again, color black and opacity 100 and size down. Again, I'm using the same brush. What's this? Pen fade brush. So I will follow here some lines. Don't worry if it goes on the hair. It will be covered later. So here you cannot see much of the body. So a little bit opacity up here. So for the hand, like this, body. Here again we have the hand, the arm. Oh my god, what am I talking about? So flick it down like that. Then we're gonna add here. Follow also the kind of guidelines. Well, for this I will use also another like different brush, but like for the first, let me keep it like that. No, I'm not gonna do this with that. So make it thicker here. I'll bit in this part again. So now we can also Gaussian blur it, or you can smudge, but the smudge is not my friend. So let's go up until you like it. So I need it to be really good smudged, blurred. And more. I'm gonna put opacity down anyway. I'm gonna click on right. So opacity. I want it to look nice and bronzed. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it like on a 67. You open a new layer. Again, we click here on soft light. And we're gonna use a different brush. On the first line, this one. So we can draw a line. It's too thin. Let's make it bigger. So this line should look pretty nice. And let's follow it up here. Then here it is lines. Then I'm making some for here. Oh my god, this looks terrible. Like, I didn't do edits on IMVU in ages. Like, I need to practice again. Yeah, I will do this again here. I don't like it. It's too thin. And yeah, like I said, I need to do more edits. I was focusing doing cartoons because I always wanted to learn how to do that. And oh, the time is gone, but I will quickly do this. So here a bit also. Smudge 50% or less 36 if I'm not blind. So smudge it up. Okay, that's small. Let's find a nice balance. Smudge, smudge, smudge. Here also, we're gonna add also some more contouring to this. This is kind of just the baseline. And yeah, I can wait for it to be over, then I can really do in one piece instead of many pieces. So like smudge it here underneath. Oh, okay, this went all out too much. Back. So I'll follow the underneath line for the best smudge maybe, so the upper part isn't moving as much, like that. And here, well, not really happy with the result here. Okay, anyway, I'll put opacity down and resume tomorrow with this. So it's not perfect, so I'll redo this part and opacity like that until tomorrow. So then I'll try to fix it. No, I don't like this at all. So I'll redo this. So I'm not erase it right now. Another car passed by. Yeah, I'm gonna redo it tomorrow, but I'm gonna keep this one up for now. And new layer. So yeah, guys, this was it for this video. So tomorrow or whenever, I don't know, I will resume with the video. I will do more contouring in this chest part. I will do the hair and the highlight on the body and much more. I don't know, I might make another video after this. We'll see. So I will say this is it for this video, guys. Be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!